Hi friends, welcome to day 4 of our 14 days of watercolor joy. Today we are painting a mistletoe, one of my favorite holiday elements because it looks so simple, but there is real beauty hidden in the details. We'll be practicing the kind of brush control that brings movement and life to your painting, all while keeping that calm, joyful energy. You know, sometimes the simplest shapes, like mistletoe leaves, can be the most beautiful. But the magic isn't in painting them perfectly. It's in understanding the rhythm of your hand, the pressure of your brush, and the flow of the movement. And that's why today's practice is so important. On your Mistletoe Practice Sheet, you'll notice guides that shows the direction of each stroke. This will help you feel the flow because every leaf has a little curve, a little personality. You'll see that some strokes need more pressure at the start to get that soft, round beginning, and then a gentle lift at the end for that elegant, pointy tip. Pressure is everything here. It's what gives your mistletoe that natural, dancing movement. Try different brushes to see which one suits you better to get this shape. You'll notice some differences. That doesn't mean they don't work. If the starting point is not completely round, it's just that it will have variations, typically to the watercolors. Those variations make it singular and yours, giving a little character to the painting. What I love about this practice is that it's not just about painting leaves, it's about learning control. You'll start to notice how just a little change in pressure creates a completely different look. This kind of repetition is how we build confidence, quietly, stroke by stroke. Once again, we are going to practice some circles for when we paint the berries. Now, when you start connecting the leaves or adding stems, keep those lines super thin. You can use the tip of your round brush, but if that feels tricky, a liner brush is your best friend here. It makes those delicate connecting lines feel effortless, and they really make your mistletoe look elegant and refined. And because I know we all love options, I included 3 different bow designs in your practice sheet. You can pick your favorite or even combine elements. Maybe a soft rounded one, a long elegant, or a classic Christmas bow. This is where you make your mistletoe yours. The light gray guidelines are just that, guides. Feel free to make changes on sizes, stroke directions, explore different color options, color combinations. That's the beauty and the amazing job of these brush practice sheets. They are a gentle guide, not a rule. Here's the thing. Repetition might not sound exciting, but it's one of the most important pillars of your artistic journey. Every time you repeat a stroke, your brain and your hand build a connection until one day you are painting with flow and confidence without even thinking about it. That's how something so simple can turn into something so delicate and beautiful. This little mistletoe could become a beautiful card, a tag for your gift, or even a print to sell. The beauty is that you made it. Something that started as calm practice can turn into a heartfelt gift. So, take your time. Enjoy the process. Notice the movement in your leaves and that perfect little moment when your brush curves just right. It's not about making them look the same. It's about learning how you paint them. I'll see you in the next video for day 5. And until then, keep playing.